Millions of people are on the verge of losing their jobs by the end of next year, not because they're lazy, but because they don't understand AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Thinking Machines, and I explore how everyday people, not just tech experts, can use AI to build income, freedom, and future-proof careers. In today's video, I'll break down the 8 AI skills that will separate winners from losers in 2026, what they are, and why they matter. Because the truth is, AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing people who don't know how to use it. So if you want to be on the winning side of this revolution, stay with me. You'll want to see skill number 8 especially because it's the one almost everyone ignores. Number 1, prompt engineering. AI is only as smart as the person guiding it. You could be using the best AI in the world, but if your prompt is weak, the result will always be generic. It's the art and science of communicating effectively with AI, about learning how to ask the right questions, provide clear context, and set the right tone so the AI gives you precise and human-like responses. Just think of it this way: if AI were a car, prompt engineering would be your driving skill. The better you get, the faster and smoother you reach your destination. Most people type something like, "Write me a business idea," and then complain when the results sound bland. But someone who understands prompts will say, "Act as a startup mentor. Generate 5 business ideas that solve real problems in Africa's digital economy, using AI as a tool, not the product." The difference? The first gets you something random, the second gives you something strategic. In a 2024 research paper from Stanford University, scholars called prompt engineering a literacy skill for the AI age, emphasizing that those who can communicate with AI systems fluently will have a major advantage in nearly every profession. Even Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, once said, "The secret to getting the best out of AI is not just using it, it's learning how to talk to it." Prompt engineering is about structure, and here's a simple formula to remember: task plus context plus role plus format plus tone plus example. When you include these 6 elements, your outputs instantly level up. And the best part? You don't need to be a coder or engineer to learn this. You just need curiosity and consistency. Every time you use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, ask yourself, did I give it enough context to think like me? Save every prompt that gives you an excellent result, whether it's for writing, content creation, marketing, or research. Over time, you'll build a personal AI toolkit that can save you hours every single week. Number 2, agent development. If there's one skill that will separate the average from the unstoppable in 2026, it's building AI agents. AI agents are like digital assistants that can run tasks, send emails, manage data, and even make decisions while you sleep. A few years ago, you'd need to hire developers and spend months learning to code to make something like this. But now, tools like Relevance AI, OpenAI, GPTs, and Floweyes let anyone build smart agents with zero coding experience. So instead of working harder, you'll be working smarter, creating digital workers that multiply your output without multiplying your effort. Number 3, AI content creation. In 2026, content creation is no longer about working harder, it's about working smarter with AI. You've seen people using ChatGPT mid-journey or Runway to make videos, posts, and even ads in minutes. But the truth is, AI won't make you creative, it just amplifies the creativity you already have. People who succeed with AI content creation are not just clicking generate. They know how to direct the AI like a filmmaker gives direction on set. They understand tone, audience, and message, and use AI as their camera crew. A 2024 report by HubSpot found that over 78% of marketers now use AI tools to create content faster. But the top performers were those who blended AI output with human insight. So what does this mean for you? It means learning how to write strong prompts for social posts. Use tools like Pika Labs or Runway Gen 3 for short video ideas. And most importantly, edit and personalize AI content so it sounds real. Because the real winners are those who can make AI-generated content feel human-made. If you master that balance of tech plus human touch, your content won't just be faster to make, it'll connect deeper and spread wider. Number 4, enhanced editing. Creating content is one thing, but making it look professional is another. That's where AI-enhanced editing comes in. Think about it. Every business, every influencer, every marketer needs crisp videos, clean graphics, and high-quality visuals. In the past, you needed a team of editors and designers to pull that off. Today, tools like Descript, Runway ML, and Opus Clip handle 80% of that process automatically. These tools can remove background noise, fix lighting, cut filler words, and even generate missing B-roll, all in minutes. You don't need editing experience, you just need the right prompts and a little creativity. Even pros are switching. A 2025 Canva AI survey found that 68% of digital creators now use AI-based editing tools every week because they save time and money. And that's the point. Speed and quality. Number 5. AI-assisted software development. Writing code used to be a skill only a select few could master. But now, AI has changed the entire game. With AI-assisted tools like GitHub Copilot, Replit Ghostwriter, and Cursor AI, anyone can turn ideas into working software faster than ever. These tools don't just auto-complete your code, they understand your logic, debug errors, and even suggest better ways to structure your entire project. Think about what that means. A solo developer can now build what used to take a full engineering team. Startups can launch apps in weeks instead of months. And even non-coders can bring their product ideas to life using natural language prompts. But here's the key. It's not about replacing developers, it's about enhancing them. AI becomes your co-pilot, not your competitor. It writes boilerplate code, helps you debug instantly, and lets you focus on creativity, logic, and user experience. Number 6. Research and trend forecasting. Every successful person in 2026 will share one common trait. They'll see opportunities before everyone else does. That's where AI-powered research and trend forecasting comes in. Tools like Perplexity AI, ChatGPT with browsing, and futuretools.io can scan thousands of articles, reports, and datasets in seconds, finding patterns that humans would miss. Marketers are already using these tools to spot viral trends weeks before they blow up. Investors use them to predict shifts in industries. Even freelancers use them to find fast-growing niches and profitable client demands. So whether you're building a business, a YouTube channel, or a brand, mastering AI research gives you a crystal ball for success. Number 7. Workflow automation. Here's where things start getting exciting. Imagine waking up and realizing your AI assistant already sorted your emails, scheduled your day, and handled small repetitive stuff before you even had breakfast. That's automation, and it's happening right now. Tools like Zapier, Make, and ChatGPT's custom workflows are letting ordinary people save hours every week. And a McKinsey report says almost 30% of work hours could be automated by 2030. So if you know how to automate your routine, even a little, you'll free up more time to focus on things that actually move the needle. Even better, once you master the skill of automation, you can turn it into a service by helping businesses streamline their workflows, and in the process, earn a solid income for yourself. Number 8. Marketing and copywriting. If you've ever seen someone online suddenly blow up, gaining followers, selling products, or turning one simple post into real money, it's not luck, it's a strategy. And that strategy almost always involves AI. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy AI are changing how marketing works. They help you write ad copy, emails, product descriptions, and even full campaigns in minutes. But here's what most people miss. AI won't do the thinking for you. It's you who gives it direction. The best marketers in 2026 aren't the ones writing every word from scratch. They're the ones who know how to use AI to write smarter, faster, and better. A recent HubSpot report found that over 73% of businesses are now using AI in their marketing, not to replace marketers, but to empower them. Because the truth is, AI won't replace marketers, but marketers who use AI will replace those who don't. So, if you can combine your creative instincts with AI's power, you're already way ahead of most people trying to make it online. Don't just watch the AI wave go by, ride it. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and share this with someone who's ready to level up for 2026.